In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export timesheet in Zoho projects. Start by signing in to Zoho projects and going to the project where you want to export time information. Make sure you are inside the correct project first, because time logs are exported per project, and the export will only include entries from the project you are currently viewing. Once you are in the project, look at the top navigation bar and select the Time Logs tab. In some accounts, this may be labeled Timesheet instead. Both take you to the same place, where Zoho collects and displays all recorded time entries. Give the page a moment to load, especially if your project has a lot of activity, because the export will reflect what is shown in this section. Next, move your attention to the upper right corner of the Time Logs or Timesheet page. Find the More icon, which looks like 3 vertical dots. This menu holds additional actions that are not shown as main buttons. Click that More icon, and from the drop-down menu choose Export Time Logs, or in some versions, Export Timesheet. Selecting this option opens the export settings, where you can control exactly what gets downloaded. Now set your date range carefully. This determines the start and end dates for the time entries included in the export. Take a moment to confirm the range matches your reporting period, such as a specific week, month, or a custom span used for invoicing or payroll. After that, choose your file format. Zoho typically offers XLS, CSV, or PDF. XLS works well if you want to review and adjust the data in a spreadsheet. CSV is best for importing into other systems. PDF is useful when you need a clean, shareable report that is not meant to be edited. Finally, select the columns you want to include. Choose only what you need, since extra columns can make the report harder to read. Once everything looks correct, click Export. Zoho will generate the file and download it or prompt you to save it depending on your browser settings. That covers everything you need to know.